Welcome to Drew Tech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today we're going to go over the settings on Todoist.com. Everything that you could do on the settings bar on your app, we'll go over it right now. So let's get started. So on the upper left-hand corner, you will see your username where you could just click on it. You'll go to settings. It'll show up your account information on there. So on the first tab, it says general. This is just the general overview of the settings. So for language, your home view, you could customize it if you want to start looking at a specific view. Whenever you open the app, you could do so. It has the projects that I've made from before, the teams that I've made from before, filters that were assigned to me. Could edit your time zone, your time format, whether it's military time, AM, PM, a date format. You could change it to month, date, month, year. You could also customize when your week will start and when your week on the tasks. Um, Usually since the app captures the time frame or like the time and the day that you're writing on the tasks itself. When you say until next weekend, it'll postpone it until Saturday. Until next week, then it'll postpone it up until the Monday of the following week. So smart recognition allows Todoist to type to recognize days and times in a task. It's also available on the desktop and the web, so you could have notifications on for your phone whenever you want to set reminders to do some of the tasks that are assigned to you. On the subscription bar, you could upgrade to Pro. Right now, I'm on a beginner free plan. The theme you could customize whatever theme that you would want. The Todoist is the default theme. You could have dark mode, you could have moonstone, which is a kind of a gray theme, tangerine, and you'll have access to more um, themes when you go pro. On the sidebar, you could customize which tasks or which folders you want to see. You could also change the task count on whether you want to see how many tasks are on each project or not. When you do quick add, so that's it. So quick add just lets you add information quickly to your tasks whenever you make them. So I used to only have these four on there. So you could add location. If you want your task executed at a certain location, you could add the labels on there if you would want to add labels, if you would want to organize your tasks even further, or any deadlines that you may have for that task, for that specific task. If it is a short term or a long term task, then you can add in a deadline, maybe like for next week, for next weekend. That is also possible. And you could just press the update button on the lower right corner to save any of the changes that you've made. Productivity is a way to kind of reward yourself into finishing your tasks. Each task has a specific amount of karma. So that's it. Quick add just shows which options are available when you create a task. So right now I'm showing date, assignee, priority, and reminders. I could also add labels on there. If I want a deadline, I could put it on there. If I want to add a location, if there are specific tasks that are to be executed in specific areas, then you could also add in the location. And always make sure to update anything if you would want to keep those changes that you've made. On the productivity bar, it'll show um, karma points that you can earn in every single task that you check off or you write off. So that's it. Thank you.